What's up? This is Qraig with a Q from the group Voicemail. Yeah?
Sorry.
Grace to done up the heat. Grace to done up now. Grace to done up the heat. Turn it up now.
Hi foodies, it's a new year and I know a lot of you are already up and running with your New Year's resolutions. My two guests know a thing or two about new beginnings, whether it's a new career or starting a healthy lifestyle. Today I'm joined by celebrity fitness and lifestyle guru Steve Ming and dancehall artist turned potushier aka pastry chef Qraig of Voicemail. Let's get jiggy in the kitchen. Gentlemen, are you ready?
Ready.
Yeah? Alright, so let's get jiggy in the kitchen.
Ready.
Let's go.
Qraig, what are you cooking today?
Oh, I'm doing some Grace chicken chunks stir fry. You know, Yardman style. You don't know the thing, the flavor in the kitchen, so it go nice.
Okay, sounds fancy. Steve, what you are gonna cook?
I'm preparing a Grace vegetable coconut pasta.
Is
and
right?
the protein is gonna be some beans.
Get the pot them going. You know, we Jamaican, we have a thing named estimate.
Who taught you guys to cook?
I have to give all credits to my grandma, aka my mommy. You know, rest her soul. Me, who is a food, always I come home from school and say, Mom's, what you cook today? She say, yeah, what? You eat too much, you can learn to cook, The rest was history.
Growing up in the country, you have to be able to cook to survive. It's called running a boat.
What's the first thing you ever cooked?
Me? While I'm butter.
Boy, I can't go around mackerel and rice,
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it was, and still is, one of my favorite. Yeah. Yeah, thing look away.
Let's dance now.
J.A. let's dance.
Hey,
Euro just dance.
let's go.
Excuse me, what's going on over here?
Great things are going on, Steve.
You don't smell no, brother. I don't smell a thing, brother. You don't smell what's going on here.
That you go. Again, my grandmother was the type of person who always introduced me to try new things. I said, okay, if you like this, you need to know how to do it. You know what I mean?
Okay.
And I fall in love with baking from then.
Okay.
You know? And I try my own little thing, add my own little style and flavor to it. And
So tell me
over
some
the
of the
years,
stuff you bake.
I have a thing named coconut bread pudding, and the carrot cake, the pumpkin cake, and the banana bread, and the pumpkin lemon, potato
Pumpkin
pudding.
lemon.
Yeah, man, turn up, man.
Bad.
Potato pudding, torta, cheesecake, macaroons, you name it. I bake it.
Sampling me send that one you're gone clear.
I'm just roasting a little cashew here. Let's see if I have this right. Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Steve, I know that you are into health and fitness. Tell us some or give us some advice that we could probably give to persons who want to change their lives, their diets, and just to improve it.
All right. Well, my first take on all of this is that abs are not made in the gym. They are made in the kitchen.
Two things of grace.
All right, ready?
So we're going to do what is called the bicep curl. Grace coconut thin bicep curl.
Let's go.
Ready? Sing the song.
Grace ketchup,
49,
better.
48. Come on.
Grace ketchup.
Good job.
Got to
Excellent
use it
job.
now.
Always excel on the
Grace
effort,
ketchup.
guys. Super job. Come on, let's
Awesome.
go. Come on. Squeeze them bicep.
Hey.
Come on, let's go.
Fit.
10, 9,
Yeah.
8,
Yeah.
7,
Yeah.
6,
Go for that.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Call them the Grace bicep.
Hey.
You just have to shape your mind before you can shape your physical aspect.
What you just added?
Life without some colors. Well, I just add my sweet pepper, which, this is when you turn the stove off now because you still want to have that crunchy vibe, you know what I mean? And yeah, I think we're ready now.
Today we'll be playing a game of this or that. You ready?
Bring it on, bring it on.
Okay. Cardio-based workout or lifting weights?
Cardio based.
Cardio-based workout.
Quinoa or tuna?
Nothing like some tuna and some crackers, man. Can't go wrong.
Well, knowing me as a Muslim man, I just open the tin of tuna and just have it just like that.
Domino's or Ludi?
You have a pack of domino?
Domino for all people.
Oh no, it sounds like you get 6.
I get 1 and 2 6, I not go around, but you see, because Ludi and my game, lock and stop, and we do all of the slaughtering on the board, yeah. So, Ludi.
Bombay or Julie Mango?
Julie, of course.
Julie?
The first stream I drop out of bus made. I can't go around Julie.
Has to be Julie's time.
When you cut a Bombay and you turn it and then you use a spoon and you eat it, it's amazing.
Bombay nice, you know. But yeah, Julie, can't go wrong with Julie.
Kickers or action movie?
So I'd like to see somebody standing up on one foot and doing that and telling people that if you work out, all of that is possible and all. So for me, it's the kickers.
You know, I always like the action. You know, we stay really excited.
Okay. All right, beach or river?
I grew up in Portland, so for me, it has to be beach.
You can't pick the two of them. You have to pick one.
Yeah.
I mean, I go with river. Just like when you know your show, you find the baddest melodies. Yeah, the river that.
What's your favorite beach in Portland?
Winifred by far.
Okay. Ketchup or hot pepper sauce?
Ketchup, because I have a sweet tooth.
Has to be ketchup.
All right, what's the weirdest thing that you've had ketchup with?
I would say ackee.
That sounds like a craving from a pregnant lady.
Well, I have a thing called quick rigs. You know, you come in and you want some feet, you rig up something quick, and ketchup never fail. Ketchup work for anything, you know.
Banana bread or Toto?
Of course, banana bread, that's my favorite. I don't need to check out my pastry, you know, beg your piece, beg you _ piece, yeah, check it out.
Pumpkin lemon cake or carrot cake?
No plan for me today, no. I have to pick one?
Yes.
Chaja. All right, here why I'm going to go with the pumpkin lemon, because every time you chew it, there's different sensation and flavors, so pumpkin lemon.
You now have the chance to become one of 3 random winners. We're giving away 3 Amazon gift cards valued at US $100 each. All you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe.
Grace turn up the heat. Grace turn up now. Grace turn up the heat. Turn it up now. Grace turn up the heat in the kitchen. Turn up the heat in the kitchen. Grace turn up the heat in the kitchen. Turn it up now.
Check it out, man. Presentation. Yo, I wonder if you're one of the master chef that I never know. Feel like I'm one of the master chef I never know.
Oh Lord, these look so good. These meals look so good. I know everyone knows that this is my favorite part. So, who should I start with?
Let me
first?
introduce you to.
Oh, all right. Steve said let me do the honors.
Introduce you to my Grace coconut creamy bean pasta.
Grace turn up.
And that's cheese on the top?
It's a Parmesan cheese on the top.
Okay, Parmesan on the top.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Healthy meal. And you can have this right after your workout to repair and build worn body tissue that you've damaged during your workout, and it's all have a mixture of all the right nutrients that you need.
This is so good. And the coconut
I'm glad
milk,
you like it.
The coconut milk.
My
is a
favorite.
little-
Say my favorite.
Yeah, the coconut milk, Steve's
My favorite. Say my favorite.
The coconut milk, Steve's favorite,
Yeah.
or the coconut milk, my favorite.
Yeah.
This is so good.
I'm glad you like it.
Yeah, man, the coconut milk added such.
I'm honored. I'm glad you like it.
It's very nice.
And the joke about it is that now that you've consumed mine, you don't have to taste it. So that win already.
that's the best. Come for the greatest.
I love it. All right, so
Well, this is a Grace chicken chunks stir fry. You know, and
Okay.
it have a twist of, you know, if you like scallion and a nice little vibe or something like cashew.
yeah, man, I see it
Flavor
going.
back, flavor
All
back.
right, so let's dig in.
Dig in. Mama can do healthy meal to all taste meal healthy. Yeah.
Okay. All right, we're swirling.
On your mark, get set, go. Hear that, Steve?
No, but that she has
You never get that,
all
you know?
of that long,
You never
long,
get
long
it?
time. No?
Something is still crunchy in my mouth, which is good.
Which is the sweet pepper,
sweet
that
peppers.
nice little. Yeah, man.
The chicken chunks is actually actually amazing. Like, it's good.
Back to it.
Okay, guys, I need to declare a winner. It's Grace win.
Grace. Once
So I
again.
can begin and get some more now, right, guys?
Yeah, man, have
Be
fun.
my guest. Go ahead.
Well, today's guest showed us how to start living healthier and, of course, how to go after our dreams. On top of that, these men know how to throw it down in the kitchen, all right? Be sure to join us next time. Until then, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Grace Foods and follow us on social media at Grace Foods for these and other recipes. Oh, be sure to share your dishes with us to win big, and you can also be featured on our pages. Until then, see you later and Happy New Year!
Turn up the heat.